name is Pratheek. So this is my fan. So we use the Arduino to code it by using our components are servo motor and DC motor. By using a totally complex code, we are able to design this powerful fan. All you have to do when you get it to home is tape it onto a surface like this. So here is it. It works like a charm. So this is the My Fan IO code. So when you buy this product, it comes with a USB that gives you all the code. All you need is to use your Arduino coding app and put this code in. Once you put it in, all you need to do is connect the wire that also comes with this fan to the fan's main operating base and to the computer. When you do this, the fan starts working because of the code. So this code sweep right. This code is another sweep right, which does the opposite of what this sweep right does. These parts here include the AF motor, aka the DC motor into the code, and the servo into the code, because these components are very special. Well, there is the MyFan IO Corporation product tour done. We shall see you in the next one.